And from short films to single screen theatres have been paying the price for demonetization, with producers of recent releases choosing to restrict the number of prints releasing in these theatres to prevent losses.
This couple enjoys the familiarity of Mumbai's iconic single-screen Chandan Theatre.
We come sometime, once in a month, twice a month, in 2 months or something like that.
The movies have not been doing well in the last 3 weeks or so because people have so much tension on their mind, withdrawing money. Have you all also not been in the mood and now are feeling a little bit more in the mood at the moment?
Yeah, sure. We are in the mood now. As of today.
As of today. Yes, as long as you've got the change.
Yeah. We have the change now. So we are happy.
Exchanges like this clearly not frequent enough at single-screen theatres across the country. Filmmakers, in a bid to protect their losses, have restricted the number of prints at single-screen theatres, preferring multiplexes which are pliable with plastic.
शुरू में जब ये डीमोनेटाइजिंग के ऑर्डर्स हुए तो इमीडिएट रिलीज़ हुई फिल्में रॉक ऑन और चार साहबजादे। सबसे बड़ा हिट उन फिल्मों को लगा और उनकी कलेक्शन काफ़ी पुअर रही। उसके बाद धीरे धीरे जैसे नेक्स्ट वीक में फोर्स 2 आई, उसके कलेक्शन काफ़ी बेटर हुए इन रिस्पेक्ट विद अर्लियर रिलीज, और उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट आई और धीरे धीरे चीज़ें नॉर्मल हो रही हैं।
Kahani 2 had a limited release at single screens, with prints reportedly given to only 1 to 2% of single screens. Yash Raj Films, however, says that 35 to 40% of their cinema count will comprise single screens for the upcoming release Befikre. But it is with Dangal that trade analysts say the tide could turn not just for the film industry but for single screens as well.
Filmmakers, in a bid to protect their losses, have restricted the number of prints at single-screen theatres, preferring instead to rely on multiplexes.
With Kahani 2, Dear Zindagi and Befikre, all three, the first two of course were, and the Befikre also seems to be more a multiplex-driven film, in the sense it is targeted at the youth, and that also the city youth. And therefore, the producers have taken a conscious decision. Things will return to normalcy to a great extent on 23rd December or around that time with the release of Dangal, because as much as people are not frequenting cinemas, they are also starved of entertainment.
With Aishwarya Iyer in Delhi, in Mumbai, Beverly White for NDTV.